If you've been keeping up with the channel, you know that I do a lot of PC builds and flips where I try to find the best deals possible on new and used parts. But I'm gonna try something new here. I'm gonna do PC builds for clients using all new parts. So stick around and let's get this build going. Now before we go over the parts, I just want to say shout outs to Kyle from Illinois for giving me the opportunity to build his PC. For the CPU, he wanted an i7 12700F. Now this is a 12 core and 20 thread CPU with a max boost of 4.9 GHz and a base clock of 2.1 GHz. Now for the motherboard, he wanted the same style look as the other PC build I did. So we went with the Asus Prime B660 Plus. Now to go with the same style look as the last PC, for the RAM, we went with the Team Group 2x8 GB, clocked at 3200 MHz. And for the storage, I went with the Crucial P3 M.2 NVMe 500 GB. All the links to the parts will be down in the description. Now for the CPU cooler, we switched it up a bit in this one. For the cooler, we went with the ID Cooling FrostFlow X 240mm AIO. I'm a big fan of ID Cooling CPU coolers, but I've never used their AIO. And for the price, it really does the job. For the PC case, we originally was gonna go with the Montech Air 1000, but instead we went with the Pivia Guardian. They're one of my favorite PC cases to build in. And shout outs to them for giving me a discount on the PC case and helping me out with this build. To power this PC, I went with the EVGA 700W 80+ bronze. Like I said before, he really liked the aesthetics of the last PC build, so I went with the same silver and clear cable extensions. Now the only used part on this build is the graphics card, and I went with the 3060 Ti. I was able to get another RTX 3060 Ti for a really good deal. And to save the best for last is my RGB PC case plates. He wanted a Volkswagen logo since he's a fan of Volkswagens, so that's exactly what I did. Now let's finish off this build. The PC is all packed up and ready to be shipped. I hope you enjoy your PC, Kyle.